So recently I was experiencing random flat tire issues on my bike at an interval of 3 to 5 days. I was unable to trace the leak as it was very minor, but resulted the air to escape within several days. I thought of getting a new set of tires as the rear tire have had multiple leaks throughout its life which were repaired and I should change it. But I noticed that my tire was still in good shape and no cracks have appeared on its walls and the threads are not that worn out yet. So I thought of why not try to squeeze out some extra life out of it since it can still deliver a few kilometers safely. I got hold of this tire sealant fluid from Amazon and gave it a try. I am going to show the process of how to apply it without opening the tire. But before we start, please subscribe to the channel and leave a like, it definitely helps me a lot. Firstly, this bottle does not come with a nozzle on top to pour through the tire valve. So I made one. I will put up the links for this product as well as the other ones which comes with a nozzle and pipe along with it. If it does not come with a nozzle, you need to buy a 20 ml disposable syringe from any medical store and a small sized pipe will also be needed. You can buy it or get it in your household inside any spray can. We need to fix it on top of the syringe and use it to push the fluid inside our tire. And we also need one more small but important tool to open the valve which will release the air. It is usually not included in the package. You can make one like mine or buy it. Obviously it will not be needed if you get it done from the shop. The fluid contains small rubber pieces in it which helps seal the leak from inside. Please note that this can be used both in tube and tubeless tires, and whatever brand you use, the process remains the same. Now for quantity, 300 ml for each tire should be sufficient and it can be used in both new and old tires. I cannot comment on how long the seal will work. That's something which can be answered in the future, but for now the leak seems to be stopped and the air pressure remains constant even after a week. If this video has helped you, please don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you do not miss when I drop my next video. What are your thoughts on this? Please let me know in the comments. This is Avik signing off and have a good day.